How to apply for Medicare card online Australia. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome for now. Once you are in the homepage of Google Chrome, here in the search bar, you simply have to search for Medicare card online Australia. Now, what you want to do is head over to the very first site, Medicare card. It will land you on the official page of Medicare card. Tap on Sign In at the top right. In this page, right beside Sign In, the option of Create Account will be visible to you. Click on it. In order to apply for your card, two different methods will be available to you. One is you can use your email address, and the other one is you have to use digital identity. Let me click on Continue with Email for now. You have to click on this checkbox and tap on Next. Now simply enter the email address that you want to create your account. After that, you have to follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can apply for Medicare card online Australia. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.